Okay guys, it is straight out of content here. As you can see, it is Cinco De Mayo. I'm here repping my favorite fighter right now, Canelo Alvarez. You know, he fights this Saturday. You guys know I always go live for boxing and stuff like that, straight out of content. You know what I mean? Check your boy out. So I just want to let everybody know out there that for Cinco de Mayo, my wife is a Latina, she is Mexicana. So we have the sale on the website. It is active right now. Promo code Cinco de Mayo, Cinco de Mayo, Cinco de Mayo. In all capital letters, put that on and you will get $5, $5, Cinco.
Dólares.
No, it ain't dólares. Cinco dinero off of your, what's dinero?
Dinero is money.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Dólares is dollars.
Oh, Cinco Dolores off of your, come on, Cinco Dolores off jelly. Cinco Dolores off of your order. Offer your order. So if you get buy 10, get 2 free, you'll get $5 off your order and stuff like that. So, you know, it'll really just help more towards the shipping thing. So we just want to be cute, make it $5. So I just want to make this quick video, guys out there. Go ahead, smash the buy button, smash the link. The link will be in the description below to go ahead and purchase your transfers. Don't forget, we got the 22 by 24, $19.99, full color. As you can see, this right here, this is a transfer.
This is a good detailed transfer.
Don't get the belly.
No, I was getting the words.
Yeah, so this is a transfer. And I'm actually inspired. You guys know I have graphic tees. I got all the Mayweather fights and all the Mike Tyson fights and Holyfield, stuff like that. And then I seen a guy, he had this one. So I went online and found this image because I really liked it. And then my wife, she has a Killing Every Day Mexican inspired shirt. Bam. And then you can also check out her video on Flash Custom Transfers. She did her own separate video on Flash Custom Transfers. I'm doing my video right here on Straight Outta Content. So guys, we're gearing up for Saturday. Canelo should weigh in tomorrow on Friday. So we're all gearing up for Cinco de Mayo. So he fights every Cinco de Mayo weekend. So it's truly exciting. I can't wait. So go support Canelo. Go support Mexico. And it's Cinco de Mayo, and go use that code right now. Go use it. It will expire at midnight. So go use the code right now. Thank you guys. And yeah.
Viva Mexico!
Viva Mexico!